To meet the needs of separation and purification in various fields, such as pharmaceuticals and functional food manufacturing, Mitsubishi Chemical Aqua Solutions provides total support with the comprehensive strength of the Mitsubishi Chemical Group. As a member of the Mitsubishi Chemical Group and the sole distributor of Di-ion Mitsubishi Chemical's ion exchange resins, we have been developing a superior separation and purification process and equipment. Through our separation technology and extensive knowledge of separation materials developed over the years, we meet customers' diversifying separation and purification needs. Mitsubishi Chemical Aqua Solutions, as an expert in separation and purification, can support customers' manufacturing process studies in product development, something that was previously conducted by the customer. We provide a full range of support services, from laboratory studies to equipment installation. With our support as your best partner, we can significantly reduce the study period of product development. Mitsubishi Chemical Aqua Solutions Purification Process Development Center is located at the Mitsubishi Chemical Fukuoka plant, Mitsubishi Chemical's central foothold for the development and production of separation materials. We have experienced staff and are equipped with the latest technology. Next, please let me introduce the flow. In basic study, we primarily use HPLC for rapid screening. The Purification Process Development Center is equipped with a variety of analysis separation columns for separation materials and separation modes selection, and for purified samples evaluation. Based on the Step 1 result, we will consider the separation process optimization with industrial separation materials and forecast the separation performance by simulation. To facilitate optimization studies as smooth as possible, we hold a debriefing session with customers for studying the results report and exchange opinions. We will confirm continuous separation performance productivity and produce samples for market survey with the bench facility. We have bench facilities such as the advanced model of ISMB chromatographic separation system and high-performance single-column separator HP-SEP. Both are explosion-proof, so studies using various solvents are possible and can be operated by touch panel on site or centrally managed in the control room. The Purification Process Development Center supports customers' manufacturing process study in product development with experienced staff and various test equipment. Facility design and fabrication is performed based on the data obtained up to Step 3. After facility installation, we provide thorough follow-up services such as maintenance and technical service. Mitsubishi Chemical Aqua Solutions will develop separation and purification processes in various industries and will meet diversifying customer needs. Our separation and purification system has been highly acclaimed overseas, and we will continue to expand business globally, mainly in Asia. Mitsubishi Chemical Aqua Solutions will respond to customers' requests and support rapid product development by continuing to create new and higher value as an expert in separation and purification.